Introduction to Outcome Management. Outcomes are the changes expected as a result of an organization's activities. And you can use outcome management to drive greater outcomes by making your impact strategy, logic model, or theory of change measurable and actionable. Let's see outcome management in action. Meet Rosa, the Impact Director for a nonprofit focused on workforce development. The nonprofit's mission is to help low-income families achieve greater financial stability. Her organization just updated their logic model to reflect their current strategy for creating impact. Now she wants to put that strategy into action. She starts by creating a new outcome. Her first outcome is to increase household income. Here, the intended direction of the outcome is increase. The outcome is short-term, and it's also active. Next, she wants to connect this outcome to activities that drive the outcome forward. Rosa creates a new outcome activity to link increase household income outcome to the nonprofit's job readiness program. Next, she defines how to measure the outcome by creating a new indicator assignment. After entering a name, she selects % participants employed in stable jobs as the indicator definition. Rosa thinks of indicator definitions as her organization's library of indicators. Indicator definitions help the organization maintain consistency in measuring a metric across different outcomes or programs. The type defines what this indicator assessment measures. Rosa selects outcome. She can create indicators that represent outputs in her logic model by linking to programs. Rosa expects an increase in the outcome, and the status of the indicator assignment is set to active. With her indicators defined, Rosa is ready to make her strategy actionable by creating an indicator performance period to set time-bound target and baseline values. To see how her outcomes are contributing to the organization's logic model, Rosa links the outcome to their workforce development impact strategy. The workforce development impact strategy gives her a holistic view of the organization's internal strategy. Separately, she can use impact strategies to group outcomes that funders or other external stakeholders want her to report on. On the Strategy tab on the Impact Strategy, Rosa sees the linked outcomes as well as the indicators that measure those outcomes, and the activities that she believes drive the outcomes. This provides a visualization of the organization's strategy for generating outcomes. Now, when Rosa visits the home page, she sees a quick snapshot of what's going on, including outcomes and impact strategies she's recently viewed, and any off-track targets. She can even manage assessments. Rosa is ready for the results to come in. In 1 month, Rosa's organization has completed the assessments for all participants. Rosa is now ready to record a result for one of her indicators based on the answers from the assessments. She returns to the indicator performance period to create an indicator result and enters the aggregate result value. For result type, she selects interim, because she's measuring progress partway through the time period. At the end of the time period, she records a final result. For measurement date, she enters the date the data was actually collected, the previous Friday, rather than today's date, and then saves the information. Over time, Rosa adds more results and can report if the organization is achieving their ambitious plan for meaningful improvements in workforce development. To learn more, check out these resources, or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.